Hey YouTube, it is Easy Prepper 101, and today we have my own version of Crate Club. So I don't know if we're going to continue to do this or not, so please write in the sections if you guys still want me to kind of continue to do my own version of Crate Club, or let's just wait and see what my new subscription box is that I'm going to be doing. So but right now we're going to open this box up. I almost think it's kind of poetic that I used the last Crate Club that I got, which is their Gerber knife. So I think it's kind of a little poetic justice. One thing too, thanks for everyone who has written comments on my Crate Club videos. I've gotten a lot of videos where people saying that they ordered it and they watched my video and then they canceled it like 20 minutes later. So it makes me feel good that people are watching these videos and seeing kind of what a ripoff Crate Club is. So but let's dive into this one. Something we haven't done is a shirt. Sorry for knocking the camera over, but I decided to get a shirt. So if you don't know what that logo is, that is the Punisher logo right there. So, some of the subscription-based boxes for like kind of gaming and stuff, they usually do some type of a shirt. And my wife, thought it'd be a good idea to incorporate a shirt into, this kind of my own version of Crate Club. So this is a Punisher shirt that I got. I'm a fan of the comic book and the movies and the show that's on Netflix. So definitely thought this was kind of a good little find. Next thing we got is some Camo Sunglasses that I ended up picking up at Home Depot. I'm going to go through everything of where I got all these at, but the last Crate Club box, they gave you a sunglasses case, but like no sunglasses. So I was like, you know what, we're going to do sunglasses. And just to prove that I got my own case just like what they sent us, and you'll be very surprised of how much I paid for my case and what they were saying. So have the case to go with the sunglasses. Then I got a Gerber 7-in-1 keychain tool. So if you look on the back here, it's got the small driver, pry bar, lanyard hole, cross driver, bottle opener, medium driver, and wire strip. So definitely kind of glad to have this. I have one of these on a set of keychains, but definitely going to be adding this to my EDC bag. And finally, since they kind of gave us a knife or whatever, I ended up getting a knife too. This is a Smith & Wesson, a professional quality tool. When looking for this, I really like that because of the handle. It has the serrated blade here and there, and that's for cutting. So definitely kind of went with the knife because since they gave us a knife. But now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna break down everything price point for you guys. I'm gonna move some of this and get everything spread out for you. All right, guys, as you can see, I have everything laid out. Now I'm going to go over the total of what everything cost, and just to kind of show you once again, if you take your own money and you go out and you buy the stuff that you're going to want and you're going to use, you can stretch the money, unlike what Crate Club did, what couldn't do. So start off with the Punisher shirt that I got here. This shirt was $9.50. Then this is the Piranha sunglasses case. That was $2. And if you remember, if you watch the video of the last Crate Club that I got, they're saying their case was $10, and it's just not worth it. And Piranha is a big brand out there. I'm not sponsored by Piranha, but it's definitely a good case to have. And their little case that I have here, not little, but does fit the sunglasses. So then for the sunglasses here, since we're on that, these were $5, so not a bad price. Like I said, it's got some camo, some camouflage, pretty cool. I really liked them. You can wear them cutting grass or whatever, and if they fall, they break, hey, you're only out $5. So if you get like the more expensive sunglasses out there, you're going to be a little more hesitant on that. And then the last two items that I got here was the Gerber Multi-Tool that I was able to get. It was actually on sale for about, you know, $5. And then the knife that I got here was around $15. So all in all, I was able still to stay under the $35, what Crate Club charges you if you just buy the month to month and not the like a long 6-month whatever. The 6-month subscription is to be, you know, correct. And like I said, I'm happy with if they would have gave us something like this. And I'm really excited about the new you know, company I decided to buy from. I'm going to wait to see how it is. That should be coming in June, and once that comes, we'll make it live here for you guys to show, hey, we're going to try this company here and see how it goes. I'm very confident that I should not have to continue to make my own Crate Club box, but if enough people really like this video, you know, share it, talk about it, let your friends know about it, I'll continue to do it if enough people really want me to continue this and kind of come up with my own themes. And you know, if I do it, I might try to challenge myself, so instead of $35, maybe drop it down to, you know, $25 or even $20. So we'll just see. But you know, write down below if you think I should continue to do my own version of a Crate Club box, and we'll call it something different since I'm not getting that box anymore. So write down in the comments if you have any questions or anything else. Hit that thumbs up if you like this video, and if you haven't, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you guys so much, and we will catch you guys down the road.